In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add visibility rules in Glide. First, head over to Glide in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account so you can access your apps and the editor. After you're signed in, open the project you want to edit. The Glide editor will load with your app preview in the center and a right-hand sidebar where you configure whatever you've selected. Visibility rules control when something in your app appears, which is great for showing the right content to the right users at the right time. To set one up, click the item you want to control. This could be a component, a button, a tab, or another element, so that its settings appear in the right sidebar. In the sidebar, look for Options. Inside Options, find the Visibility section. This is where you define the logic that decides whether the selected item is shown or hidden. Click Add Condition to begin. When you add a condition, you'll choose a data source, usually a column from your data or user profile. Then pick a comparison, like is not, contains, is empty, is not empty, greater than, or less than. Finally, enter or select the value you want to compare against. For example, to show an admin panel only to administrators, you might choose User Profile, role is admin. Or, if you want a Submit button to appear only after a user agrees to terms, you could set the Agree to Terms checkbox as true. If you're using numbers or dates, select the appropriate comparison and make sure your data types match so the rule behaves as expected. Glide lets you combine multiple conditions, so you can require that all conditions are true or that any one of them is true. This is helpful if, for instance, you want to show a component when a form is completed and the user is signed in, or when a status is draft or pending. As you adjust conditions, watch the app preview. Glide updates visibility in real time, which makes it easy to confirm your logic. If something doesn't show up when you expect, double-check that the field you're referencing exists for the current screen's row and that you're editing the correct component. That's the core process. Go to Glide, sign in, open your project. Use the right sidebar's options. Open Visibility, click Add Condition, and then add the specific condition you need. With just a few thoughtful rules, your app can feel smarter, cleaner, and more personalized. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.